Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will see what is the nth term of an AP, and also we will cover the question 1 from exercise 5.2. Okay. To understand what is the nth term of an AP, we can actually use the general form of an AP. General form of an AP we have already covered in the introduction video of the same chapter. Okay. So we will use the same thing to understand how can we derive the formula of the nth term of an AP. Okay. Now let's say the first term of any AP series will be called as A. Okay. And how do we get the second term? So basically, we add the common difference to the preceding term. So common difference is denoted by D. So the first term is A, the second term will be A plus D. Okay, now how do I get the third term basically to the second term? Again, I'm going to add D. So plus D. So when I simplify this one, A plus D plus D. So the third term will become A plus 2D. Now to get the fourth term, again, I'll have to add D to my third term. So when I simplify, again, I'll get A plus 2D plus D will become A plus 3D. Now this is the fourth term and so on. So we'll have to do the same. We'll be doing the same process to get the next number, basically adding the common difference, right? Now, if you look at this one, we can actually write this one as the first term is A, we cannot do anything, plus that is A plus D. That is basically A plus 2 minus 1 into D. So if you simplify, that will become A plus 1D. So basically A plus D. Now again, there is no plus here. It's just a comment again. Now again, see the third term. Now the third term can be written as A plus 2D. That is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So if you simplify, this will become A plus 3 minus 1 will become 2. Again, A plus 2D. Okay, again writing the fourth term. So that will become A plus 4 minus 1 into D, which is nothing but A plus 3D, right? So by looking at this pattern, we can say that the nth term, that is An, can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So the nth term of an An, so the nth term An of an AP, with the first term as A, and the common difference D is given by the formula like An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now what this An stands for? Basically An stands for what is there in the, what is the value or what is the number in the second term or the third term or the 50th term or the 100th term, like that, okay? And A stands for the first term, plus N stands for which number we are going to find the value. So N minus 1 into D is obviously the common difference. So this is the formula. So the formula is An is equal to, that is to nth term of an AP will be denoted as A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, there's one more additional information here. Basically, An is also called as a general term of an AP, of the AP. If there are M terms in the AP, then AM represents the last term in which is sometimes also denoted by L. Okay, yeah. So basically, if in the given series is a finite one, that is, it will have a last term, then we represent the last term as L. Okay, clear? Now let's start with the first question, then we'll have better clarity actually. So exercise 5.2. So in exercise 5.2, we have given a table and we'll have to find what is the missing value. So fill in the blanks in the following tables. Given that A is the first term, D is a common difference, and An is the nth term of an AP. And let's start with the first question here. So in the first question, we will first write what is given. Okay, in question number 1. So what is given and what is that we need to find? So given is A is given as A is equal to 7. Okay. And D common difference they have given as 3. N, okay, N is given as 8. And we'll have to find what is An. An is what? So now this is easy. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So An we need to find A value is 7 plus N value is 8. 8 minus 1 into D value is actually 3. So which is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 will become 7. 7 into 3 will become 21. So 7 plus 20 will become 28. So for the first question, value of An. What is the value of An? The meaning value of An is actually 28. That is, what is it we are finding? What is the value or what is a number in the 7th term? Okay, so we can actually write like A7 is equal to 28. So the value in my 7th term is 28. Clear now, easy? Moving on to next question now. So the next question, we have given what is A. I'll just write it here. So question number 2. So in question number 2, what is given? So A is given as minus 18. Okay, D is not given. So we need to find what is D. N is given as 10 and AN is given as 0. Okay, just quickly see what's correct. So A in second question, A is minus 18, right? With D, we'll have to find N is 10 and AN is 0. Okay, we'll have to find what is the D now. We'll use the same formula. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in the question, they have given you AN as 0. So 0 is equal to A will be minus 18 plus N is 10. So 10 minus 1 and D value we need to find. So 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 become 9, 90. So finding the value of D, let's take the 18 to the other side. So 18 is equal to 90. Then D value is equal to 18 over 9. That is 18 by 9. That will become D value is equal to 2. So the common difference in this question will be, fine, clear? Okay, moving on to third question now. In the third question, basically A is not given. So A we need to find. D is given as minus 3. Then N is given as so A value we'll have to find. D is given as minus 3. Okay, and N is given as 18. And AN is equal to minus 5. So you can use the same formula. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is minus 5. So minus 5 is equal to A, we don't know. Plus N value is 18. So 18 minus 1 into D value is minus 3. So minus 5 equals A plus 18 minus 1 becomes 17. So 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 equals A plus 17 into 3. That will become, so 17 into 3. 21 carry 2, then 5. Okay, 17 into minus 3. Okay, so that will become minus 51. So A minus 51. So minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. So that will become 51 minus 5, that will become 46. So value of A is equal to 46. Clear? Moving on to question number 4. So in question number 4, what is that we need to find? They have given us what is A minus 18.9. D value is equal to 2.5. Okay. And N, we need to find what is the N here. And AN is given as 3.6. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is 3.6. 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus N we need to find minus 1. D is 2.5. So 3.6 which is equal to minus 18.9. So do the distributive property. So 2.5 into N, that become plus 2.5 N. Then again 2.5 into minus 1, that become minus 2.5. So to remove the bracket, we'll have to use a distributive property, that is multiply 2.5 into N, then again minus symbol, then again 2.5 into minus 1. Clear now? Now let's simplify this one. So 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9. So combine these two, minus 18.5 and minus 2.5. So when I combine minus 18.9, then 2.5, it will become 14, carry 1, 10, 11, carry 1, then 2. So that will become minus 21.4. So minus 21.4 plus 2.59. Bringing minus 21.4 other time will become positive. So 3.6 plus 21.4 is equal to 2.5 M. So 21.4 plus 21.4 plus 3.6. So when I add 6 plus 4 become 10, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, then 2. So 25.0 is equal to 2.5 N. So value of N is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. So let's multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So that will become 250 by 25. So that will become N value is equal to 10. Fine, clear now? Easy. So exercise 5.1. Now last question, okay? Question number 5. So in question number 5, we are given what is A is given, D is given, and is given. We need to find what is AM. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5, A is given as 3.5, D is given as 0, okay? And N is given as 105, and AN, we need to find the AN. So now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so basically we should find what is the value of my 105. That is 105th term. So A is equal to 3.5 plus N value is 105 minus 1. Then D value is 0. So AN is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 104 into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 would be 0 only. So AN is equal to 3.5. So this is the final answer. So AN value will be 3. Fine, clear? So if you notice here, the beginning number also will be, that is starting number will be 3.5. D value is actually 0. So if you keep on adding 0, you will get the same value. So the series will be like this. AP series will be 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, and so. Okay. I hope this is easy and clear. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.